We have been through this song and dance many times. We are tracking strong thunderstorms around the area. Locally heavy rain, the big calling card again. That's a look at the Kentucky One Health weather bug camera. That is looking from Eastern Kentucky University in Richmond. You are looking at one of the big downpours out there. This one, as we look off toward the southeast from Richmond, we are looking toward Jackson County, but you can see the sheets of rain coming down from that thunderstorm. It's the one right down there. We will take a look at that with the MaxTrack Live Doppler here. So it's coming closer. We do that. So you got Richmond here. So that's where we were looking at the storm actually down around Kingston. That's where the downpour was. So going right down 421. That continues into Jackson County. Becomes heavier as you get down into Rockcastle County there around Livingston. There is a good downpour. And the motion of these is from south to north. There might be just a hint of an eastward drift, but for the most part, it is a south to north motion. We come now into Pulaski County, same idea. South to north as these isolated thunderstorms are getting going, now moving up into Lincoln and Casey counties, coming out of Knox County, moving through Clay County as well. That one might be weakening a little bit as it approaches the Hal Rogers Parkway. More heavy rain is ongoing now in Morgan County from West Liberty on west on 460. That extends then down into Wolfe County there around Hazel Green. Sandy Hook's got some heavy rain ongoing too. That's one cluster of storms. We're watching a line of thunderstorms that's assembling out here in Indiana. Now, the cells themselves are moving from southwest to northeast, but the entire line is coming our way, and that's an advance of a cold front. Election day is tomorrow. For goodness sakes, vote to change the pattern. Let's try and find something that resembles spring. Late week. How about this? Back-to-back dry days. Dare we dream? Because the Memorial Day weekend, warm and humid, and yeah, we are going to be dodging thunderstorms. We've been talking about suddenly summer, and that's exactly what happened. May days that have been 80 degrees or better, 14 out of 21 including today, so 2/3 of our days have been 80 degrees or better. That ties us for the third most when you look toward the number ones of 1965 and 1934. By the way, the most for a full month of May is 23 from 1944. We've got a shot at it, and there's been no middle ground. The average temperature so far for May is 71.6. That ties us with 1962 for the warmest May ever recorded in Lexington. This comes after the sixth coldest March and April combination, which came after the warmest February. There is no middle ground. What we're looking at is more of the heat. We're going to maybe stay in the 70s on Wednesday, but other than that, it's low-end mid-80s. We're at 85 right now in Lexington. South wind at 7. It is muggy out there again. We've got rain-cooled air in the southeast, but everybody else is in the stifling heat and humidity. When these numbers are in the mid-60s or better, you feel it. Warm front has bubbled to the north again, rain and thunderstorms to the south of it. Now there's a cold front coming at us on Election Day. As it does so, rain and thunderstorms will be increasing once again. But that cold front does us a favor. What happens with it by Wednesday as it pushes to the south? Drier air comes in. We scour the thunderstorms out at least for a day or two. For tonight, increasing clouds, scattered rain and thunderstorms, locally heavy rains possible, will be in the upper 60s. Election day, vote no for rain, which will lose the election because it will be raining off and on during the day. Another muggy one. We're in the low 80s. We'll be around 80 on Wednesday, back into the mid 80s Thursday and Friday. Thunderstorm chances begin to increase really Saturday, lasting through Sunday and Memorial Day Monday.
Timing of the rain tomorrow, though, better to vote early.
And often, yes.
Early
no, not often.
I think they only let you once, is my understanding.
Yeah, details. Yes.
Details. All right, Bill, thank you so much.